तो माटोला चलाता आज म्हाका हांगा आपयन हाडलो आनी येता आसतना म्हाका सांगिल्लें कितें वेन कमिंग आपयता आसतना म्हाका सांगिल्लें कितें इट इज रिगार्डिंग डबल ट्रॅकिंग आनी कोलाचे हांव सोर्स सांगपाक शकना तुमकां कितें म्हाका दिसता तुमकां कोलाचे बाबतींत म्हजो आनी सुबेज एक्सपिरियन्स तुमकां आसा बिकॉज कोल इज पासिंग दिस सायड कित त्रास जाता ते म्हजो आनी चड खबर तुमकां आसा आनी आज जर तर वेन लिटल कोल इज गोईंग तुमकां त्रास जाता जाल्यार हो क्वॉन्टिटी वाडटकूच कितलो त्रास जाता तुमकां म्हाका दिसता वी कॅन ऑल फोरसी म्हणून हांव मंत्री आसतना एक काँग्रेस सरकार आसतना आमी तेन्ना एक डिसिजन घेतलेलें टू स्टॉप डबल ट्रॅकिंग दिस सायड एंड टू हॅव अ सिस्टम बाय विच coal would be taken from Maramago Harbour by barges to Shalwana and Tingchan on the existing tracks till now Belgaum, Hubli, Hui, Karnataka. आमची सरकार असताना आणि हांव म्हणटा आमची सरकार म्हणजे इन द इयर 2010 आमचो आदलो एनवायरमेंट युनियन एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर जयराम रमेश गोंया आयिल्लो तेका हांव म्हाका दिगंबर कामत चीफ मिनिस्टर तेका इंग घेवन गेले आमी हुई मुर्मुगांव आनी दाखयलें तेका आमी those heaps of coal that was stacked at the harbor. थिंगसान आमी एक्स मिनिस्टर जय फिलिप सोजाके गारगोडे गेले and we have shown him the dust pollution that was happening at Vasco. And immediately Bob Vasanak phone kela. Bob Vasan was that time the union shipping minister. And Bob Vasanak सांगितले we have to stop coal coming to Goa. This was at the central level. आमची सरकार गोंयची सरकारान कितें केला आमी शेलवाना थोडे जमीन एक्वायर करपाक गेले वी मूव टू एक्वायर लँड सेक्शन 4 जालोलो सेक्शन 6 वॉज डिक्लेअर्ड बाय द गव्हर्नमेंट हें जात म्हणल्यार आमची सरकार पडलो बीजेपी केम टू पावर बीजेपी येतकूच आमचो एक्स लेट एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर लेट मनोहर पर्रीकर and Bob Lakshmikant Parsekar. Tenchan Dogain, they sabotaged this project. And Bob, ex-MLA, ex-minister, ex-Kurshara MLA, now at what? Ramarao Desai. So, along with some locals, they went to the High Court and they challenged the land acquisition procedure. High Court gave a ruling that the procedure was not correct and declared the procedure null and void. Immediately, South Western Railways moved an appeal to the Supreme Court. And आज पासून this appeal is pending in the Supreme Court. और तुम्ही म्हणटले हांव हें कित्या लागून सांगता म्हाका दिसता इफ दीस प्रोजेक्ट इज टेकन अप तुगे डबल ट्रॅकिंग म्हणटा तो इशू बंद जाता तुगे एडिंग कोल पोल्युशन जाता तेंय बंद जाता तुम्ही म्हणू शकता कितें कोल पोल्युशन प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्वड हियर बट थिंग पोल्युशन जातलें हुंय इन शेलवाना एज पर द प्रोजेक्ट proposed by South Western Railways. They were supposed to bring technology from Japan and everything would be built in domes. The train would come from Karnataka, and yet Astana, they were supposed to bring iron ore from the mines there, and from there, that iron ore would be loaded to barges. Barges would go to the harbour, load onto the vessels, in turn take coal on its return, and from there, again the coal would be in those big domes. Everything covered, nothing would be open. Take it in those big domes, take it in the train and go to Karnataka. In our wisdom, we thought that this coal issue would be solved. There would be no traffic along the roads. There was no need for double tracking. Tedna, I ekpasun allo upon Bharat Solanki. He was the Union Minister for Railways. What are the problems as far as I took him basically to Kasauli that side, and I showed him the problems to cross the track today. And imagine after double tracking, what would be the issue? So he also promised to support us. Unfortunately, after the elections, we all lost. And you all may say that governance is a continuous process. It's easier said than done. But unfortunately, the subsequent government did not continue in the same wisdom. At the point, आमचो Chief Minister, old board gala, आपल्याकडे paper आहे, signed by the Digambar Kamathi. We are challenging him till today to show us those papers, which he has not yet been able to show. It is